Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would film a bake with me. I am going to try making these cookies. I have a recipe on my blog for them, so check out that post if you want to see the recipe. They're basically just like banana oat cookies, and I'm gonna get all the ingredients. For this recipe, you do need egg, and I'm vegan, therefore I don't have egg. So to make a replacer egg, you just take, this calls for 2 eggs, so you do 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. I'm doing milk chia seeds. So you take 2 tablespoons of that, and then for every tablespoon of chia, you do a tablespoon of water. So you would do 6 tablespoons and then just let it sit while you do the rest of the ingredients. You're gonna want 2 bananas, preferably ripe. Mine aren't that ripe, so a tip to do that is to throw them in the microwave, and then they'll be easier to mash and blend. So I'm just going to throw these up in the microwave. One of them is microwaving, but the other one's pretty okay, so I'm just gonna mash it all up in this bowl. And honestly, I hate mashing bananas, but bananas are so good in literally everything. So I feel like I'm consistently always mashing them. So you'd think by now I'd be good at it. I'm not. And our other banana should be ready to mash, which is good timing because I just finished mashing this one. That is my mashed banana. I could literally just eat the banana itself. Next, you do 2 cups of oats. So I'm just using Quaker oats. Cinnamon. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some of that on. I'm gonna put some maple syrup, and I'm not measuring, I'm just kind of drizzling it on. I'm also gonna add 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds. Mix that all in nice and evenly, because you want that delicious cinnamon and maple syrup taste, obviously, throughout every cookie. I will add in my egg. It should look like that. Just plop that in and mix it together. Just for taste, you don't have to, but I'm going to add in nutmeg because I love the taste of nutmeg. It makes everything so like fall, especially like when you don't have pumpkin or pumpkin spice. Nutmeg is always great. I don't know what I'm doing also, like I sound like I'm some ex-baker, but I'm really not. I will put in, it calls for 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. I'll see how much that actually ends up being because I feel like I might want more. But, you know, maybe we should follow the recipe. We'll see. So there's the 2, and I'll mix it in and see if I feel that's enough. But I'm a big chocolate chip girl with my cookies. I love when cookies are basically just a giant chocolate chip as opposed to the cookie part. I think I'm actually gonna stick with the 2 tablespoons, and I'll try to make cookies that aren't just fully chocolate chips. The ghost in the house. This is what my mixture is looking like. I'm gonna try a little bite, see how it tastes. It's like a banana oatmeal. It is pretty good. I love banana. Now I'm gonna put this on a baking sheet and pop it in. Now they'll take approximately 15 minutes to cook. Just took them out. They don't look the most appetizing, but I know they're gonna taste great. There's like little pucks. Look at those things, little pucks. I am not gonna eat one now since it is 5:08, so I'm probably gonna eat dinner in the next hour to 2 hours, and I don't wanna spoil my appetite. But I will maybe try one after dinner or tomorrow, or maybe my mom will have one. I don't know, but I will record my first reaction, but they look good. Like, honestly, I'm excited. The only reason they look kind of off is I use black chia seeds. They look a little gray, but they do look really good. I want to eat one. They smell so good, but I don't want to ruin my dinner because I'm really excited for my dinner tonight. But that's not what this video is about.
Update, a few days later, wearing the same sweater. I did try one, so did my mom and my brother who's home, and they're really good. They're so good. They are a great snack. They're full of so many nutrients, so check them out and try them and send me your recreations. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let me know what videos you want to see from me, and I'll see you guys in the next one.